The neighborhood is starting to get ready for the holidays. You got some people just getting started and some people going all out. Oh gosh. They getting started too early, babe.
Look at this one up here.
Look at this thing. How come the window won't go down? Is your window already down?
My window already down.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, zooming on by. Look at that. That's nice. Oh, I see what you're saying. This one up here. Oh, they done went all out. Oh my gosh, why is it always a competition? Do y'all have a competition in your neighborhood when it comes to decorating? Usually you wait till the day after Thanksgiving or Thanksgiving Day. Look at this, y'all. This is just ridiculous. They lit up, okay?
Look at the disco house.
You said the disco house.
What?
That's so nice.
What? Oh, he got his high lights on.
Okay, wait, dog, wait. You're in the wrong neighborhood for driving like that. You need to slow that down.
The disco house.
They got it all. But people ain't got nothing to do, so they going all out, okay? Oh man, that is so cool. Come on. Do the windows.
It's got tune to 101.3 FM.
What?
They had a Christmas lights.
Oh, a Christmas light show. They got bulbs. I'm not getting the full effect. That's nice. Here, you take get the full effect.
Right. That is not right.
They let the kids put this one up.
Yeah, they know when the Home Depot got one pack of string. No more. You put nothing else up. That's it. That's fine.
That's wrong.
Did that. Okay.
You like that? That's okay.
It's better than that one.
That's true.
Man, you gotta turn around.
Okay, go down here.
Well, now that's the kids.
Yeah, you know, they just might as well not put nothing up. Some people still got their Thanksgiving stuff up. It's beginning to look like Christmas.
That's what I'll probably do. That's all we gonna get. We ain't getting no more than that. That's good enough.
No, look at this. Look at this right here. I'm just.
They still got their Halloween stuff up. What you talking about? We need to stop.
Is that Halloween?
That's still Halloween. Yeah, it's still Halloween. That's Halloween.
It's not Halloween.
Ooh, stop.
We ain't got nothing up, but we talking about somebody else. You know what? This is what bougie neighbors do. This is really sad. Right around the neighborhood. That's Thanksgiving though. That's Thanksgiving. That's the fall. Just, I like that. Plain and simple. Yeah, but you need some lights, don't you? Okay, we got a unicorn. That just looks so out of place. They got kids. They got kids. They have kids. Yes. It's like, yo, this is like. I'm lying.
Yeah, because they got them put up nice. But that one right there.
I just hate that whole generic light. It's just like, I don't like that. Now this is the cheaper version. Yeah. I don't like those. That's not Christmas. Ain't none of it Christmas, but you know what I'm saying. Oh, they getting started. Go ahead.
See, you know what? Take me home. No. You talking
Somebody decorating.
He ain't been in there.
It's pretty. It's pretty. The white lights always look pretty. That looks pretty. That's neat and clean and pretty.
Ain't nobody got up there. Gonna need. I'm talking about that one.
Oh, this one down here.
Ain't nothing drooping. Ain't nothing.
It doesn't have any no rustic, nothing about it. It's too professional. This was done by a professional.
This is a professional right here. Ain't nothing droop. Ain't nothing drop. Ain't nothing.
See, that's the neighbor. Now, if I was their neighbor, I would be ashamed. I'd be ashamed if I was the neighbor.
I don't even know where I'm at.